Welcome to our video guide on managing FedEx Shipping module. In this video, we'll provide step-by-step instructions on how to seamlessly integrate your website with FedEx Shipping services and efficiently manage its various features. Begin by installing the FedEx Shipping module via the App Shop in your admin area. Once installed, move to the Modules, Shipping, and Online tabs, locate the module, and click the Edit button to access the module settings. In the Settings section, enable Collect Shipping if applicable. Choose between test and production web service modes, enter necessary credentials, FedEx Web Services key, password, account number, and meter number. Select weight measurements, fill in address and contact information, and enter shipping delay value. Set currency exchange rates and drop-off type. Enable FedEx services, add handling fees, and select FedEx rates. Choose packaging type and specify signature requirement and signature option type. Enter required insurance amount. Apply shipping tax classes. Assign FedEx shipping to zones based on preferences. Choose delivery date rules and ownership settings. Sort shipping display order. Lower values will prioritize FedEx. Use the restrictions section to set restrictions based on customer groups, countries, and website pages. Enable tracking and enter FedEx shipping name to be used in both backend and frontend. Click Update to save changes. By following this guide, you can seamlessly integrate FedEx shipping services into your website and customize them to meet your specific needs. Thanks for joining us to master the FedEx shipping integration.